Hey, what's up everybody? It's SPG Finance here. We all know time is money, right? But what if I told you there are ways to make money while you sleep? No, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about the power of passive income. In this video, I'll share the top 5 online passive income sources that can help you achieve financial freedom. First up, let's talk about one of my personal favorites, content creation. This could be anything from starting a YouTube channel, creating viral TikToks, or writing blog posts. The key here is consistency and providing value. Find your niche, something you're passionate about, and deliver high-quality content that people want to see. Trust me, the internet is a big place. There's an audience for everything. How do you make money from this? Once you start building a following, you can monetize your content through ads. Every time someone watches an ad on your YouTube video, you get paid. As you grow, explore sponsorships where brands pay you to feature their products or services. Dive into affiliate marketing where you recommend products you love and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique link. The beauty of content creation is that it allows you to build a real connection with your audience. Plus, once you create a piece of content like a YouTube video or a blog post, it can continue to generate income for months, even years. But remember, content creation takes effort, especially in the beginning. Focus on providing value, engaging with your audience, and being consistent with your uploads. Next, let's talk about digital products. Imagine creating something once and selling it over and over again without having to restock inventory or ship anything. That's the power of digital products. You have unique skills and knowledge, right? Why not package that into an ebook, a course, or even some cool templates that people can download instantly? Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even Etsy make it incredibly easy to sell your digital creations. Focus on creating high-quality products that solve a specific problem for your audience. Put in the effort, make it valuable, and then use social media to get the word out. People are always looking for convenient solutions. If you can offer that through your digital product, you're golden. Alright, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to generate passive income by recommending products you love and use yourself. Essentially, you're acting as a middleman between a company and its customers. Sign up for an affiliate program, like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale, and get a unique affiliate link. Incorporate these product recommendations into your content. Maybe you're talking about your favorite camera gear on your YouTube channel, or recommending a book on your blog. Whenever someone clicks on your unique link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic. Choose products you genuinely believe in and that align with your brand. Okay, this next one is perfect for all you creative entrepreneurs out there. Let's talk about print on demand. This business model lets you sell your designs on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it, without having to deal with inventory or shipping. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring handle everything for you. You simply upload your designs, and they take care of the printing, packaging, and shipping when someone places an order. The key to success in print on demand is to find a niche. What are people passionate about? What kind of designs are trending? Once you have a good understanding of your target audience, you can start creating designs that resonate with them. Invest in good design software and make sure your designs are high resolution and visually appealing. Finally, let's talk about a more traditional form of passive income, but one that's essential for building long-term wealth: dividend stocks. While all investments carry some level of risk, dividend stocks can be a fantastic way to generate passive income over the long haul. When you invest in a dividend-paying stock, you're buying a small piece of ownership in a company. As a shareholder, you're entitled to a portion of the company's profits, which they distribute in the form of dividends. Dividends are typically paid out quarterly, giving you a regular stream of passive income. You can reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, which then pay out even more dividends over time. Just remember to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and invest for the long term. There you have it, guys. Those are my top 5 online passive income sources that can help you achieve financial freedom. Now that you know the top 5 ways to earn passive income online, which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more financial insights. For more tips and tricks on building wealth and achieving financial freedom, make sure to check out my other videos right here. Let's make those passive income dreams a reality.